Hey guys, what's up? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session, I will be talking about this. That's right, command not found code. The solution is really very easy. You just open your Visual Studio Code. I will close this welcome page now. And here, where it says show all commands, you will see this key combination here. Shift, Command and P. Press this key combination and then search for shell command install code, and I already see it here. I will select it, and now I'm told shell command code successfully installed in path. I will click on OK. Now, one absolutely important thing that you need to remember is that you need to make sure that your Visual Studio Code app is located in the application folder, because if it isn't, then once you reboot your computer, this setting will get lost and command code will not be found again. I will close this window, and now when I go back in my history, select code and press enter, Visual Studio Code will start. And now, let's say one day you will be done using the command code and you would like to uninstall it. I will close the welcome page again. Simply just press again this combination of keys here, Shift, Command and P, and search for this shell command uninstall code command from path. Then you will be told shell command code successfully uninstalled from path. OK. And when you then close your Visual Studio Code and type code again, command code will not be found again. And that's it. That's how you enable the command code for your Mac, and also how you disable it. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.